Hello, my name is Dawson. I'm a student from JTech, and today we're going to do the AC leak test.
I want to explain the AC system through a paper. When it comes from the compressor, it comes as a low pressure gas into a high pressure liquid in the condenser that turns into high pressure liquid all the way down to FOT. Once it gets into FOT, it turns into a low pressure liquid. It boils in the evaporator, comes down to accumulator, turns back into a low pressure gas, and the accumulator sucks all the moisture out. Then it goes all the way back to the compressor, and it starts all over again. To get a better understanding, so once down there is where the compressor is. It's driven by the belt. Once this starts working, there's freon inside the system. The liquid flow from the inlet and outlet through the condenser. Once it comes from out of the compressor, it comes as a low pressure gas into the condenser as a high pressure liquid that goes all the way down through the system, all the way down to the FOT, which is right there. I can show you on the table what the FOT looks like. So it'll be through here. Once it gets through FOT, it goes back into the evaporator, which is somewhere in the system here. Once it goes into the evaporator, it comes back. Then it goes into, which is the accumulator. Once it goes through there, it sucks all the moisture out, and it goes back into the compressor. Once it goes back into the compressor, which is right here, it starts the cycle all over again. Same thing as the paper. So we're going to use the Hvac machine, and we're going to recover, vacuum, and charge. First you'll get your connections. Low side. Right. Turn that there. That's the high side. That's how you hook up your machine. So once you got these lines connected, the first thing you should do is recover. When you recover, it usually takes 10-15 minutes. And once that's finished, again you click vacuum. Vacuum absorbs all the moisture out the system, so it can clear up. And then you hit charge, and that's when you charge the whole system. And that's how you use the Hvac system to recover, vacuum, and charge your system on the VW. The way to find if there's a leak in the system, you can get the UV light. You can shine it on where the tubes are, put the dye. As you see where it's bright at, you can see that it's leaking. There, I see down there. You see the close where it's like bright. That's it right there. And that's also another way of how you can check for leaks in the system. This is called the leak detector. You turn it on, and if it beeps rapidly, it'll show you your leaks. Anywhere leaking like really bad, you just move it around the system, and it should just beep real fast if it's leaking. So you get the compressor clutch relay. Take this relay out. Get the jumper wire. And you should hear it click all the way on the other side over there once you jump it. You should hear it click on the compressor. That's how you do that. Alright, so we're gonna test to see if the relay works. Put the black lead on 86, red lead on 85. Alright, black lead to negative battery, red lead to the positive. And you should hear it click. And that's how you test to see if the relay works.